Dear friends, today we will test litmus test. First of all, we know what is a litmus. What is a litmus? Or what is a litmus paper? Litmus paper is basically an indicator which is used to distinguish acids from bases, as we cannot test everything to identify if it is an acid or a base. As it indicates the presence of acid or base in a solution, it is also called an acid-base indicator. Right? Now I will show you the various types of litmus papers. Litmus paper are generally of two types. For the test, what we have taken, you see here. We have taken, you see, this is beaker of water. This is a beaker of water. This is a beaker of solution of surf excel, right? And this is the lemon juice. I will test the litmus test in this container. Now first of all, we will see the litmus paper. Here you see there are two types of litmus paper. One is, you see, one is blue litmus paper, and the other, here you see, this is blue litmus paper. This one is also blue litmus paper. This one is also blue litmus paper. And this one is also blue. You see, this one is also blue litmus paper, blue. Now I will show you red litmus. Here you see, this is the red litmus paper, and here you see, this is also the red litmus paper, right? Now we know that litmus paper is an indicator which shows whether a solution is acidic, base or alkaline, or neutral. Let us find. Here we have taken water in this beaker. Here we have taken solution of surf excel in this beaker, and this is water, and this is lemon juice. Right? Now I will show you what is the reaction if we dip the paper strip in the three different beakers. Let us find. Here we have taken one red litmus paper and one blue litmus paper. Let us find whether there is a change of color in water. Let us take one blue litmus paper. Here you see, this is blue litmus paper. See, this one is blue litmus paper. I have taken a strip from this I have taken a blue strip paper here, you see, here, and here you have taken red litmus paper. I have taken red litmus paper. Now you see what happens if I put blue litmus paper in water. Let us find. Here you see, I am putting this in water. Here you see that there is no change in color. There is no change in color of blue litmus paper in water. Right? Here you see there is no change. If I put red litmus paper in the beaker of water, let us find what is the change in color. I am putting this red litmus paper in water. Here also you see that there is no change in color in the red litmus paper. Here you see there is no change. Right? Now we take another strip of blue litmus and red litmus paper. Let us take blue litmus paper and one red litmus paper. Now I will put this one red and one blue in the lemon juice. Then I will find out what happens to this. If I first take this red litmus paper and put it in the lemon juice, see what is the change in color. Here you see there is no change in color in lemon juice. There is no change of color of red litmus paper in lemon juice. I put it here. Right? And here you see blue litmus paper. If I take a blue litmus paper and put it in the lemon juice solution, let us find what we get. I am putting this blue litmus in the lemon juice and let's find what happened. What is the change in color? Here you see the blue litmus paper changes into red color. Here you see the blue litmus paper change into a red color. Right? Now let us take another litmus paper, one blue and one red litmus paper. I have taken again one blue litmus paper and one red litmus paper. Now, if I put the blue litmus paper in the surf excel solution, let's find what is the change in color. Here you see that there is no change in color of this litmus paper. Right? Now, let us take a red litmus paper and dip it in the surf excel solution and let us find what is the change in color of this litmus paper. This red litmus paper changes into blue color. Right? Now you see what we get from this litmus test. Here you see now you see what we get in this litmus test, that if we put a blue litmus paper or red litmus paper in water, there is no change in color. That means water is neutral, right? And if we put a red litmus paper in lemon juice, there is no change in color. But if I put a blue litmus paper, it turns into red. Here you see, it turns into red color. That means lemon juice is acidic. Here you see, if I put a blue litmus in the solution of suffix cell, then you are getting blue, that means there is no change. But if I put a red litmus paper, it turns into blue. That means this suffix cell solution is a alkaline or basic solution. In this way, you can find with the help of litmus paper that whether a solution is acidic or basic or neutral. Right? Here we have taken this litmus test and we find that how we can find the various tests to find whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Right? That means with the help of litmus paper we can find. Here you see again we are explaining that for water there is no change in color of red litmus paper or blue litmus paper. There is no change. Therefore, you can say that water is neutral. But in the case of lemon juice, the blue litmus paper changes into red, but the red litmus paper has no change in color. That means this lemon juice is acidic. And here you see, here this is a solution of suffix cell. We find it here that the blue litmus paper has no change, but if we put a red litmus paper in this solution, then it turns into blue. What we get from this experiment that litmus paper is an indicator which indicates whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. In this test we found that the water is neutral, but the lemon juice is acidic in nature and the solution of suffix cell is basic. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.